If you're cruising in 2026, buckle up because the rules have changed faster than Wi-Fi signals disappear at sea. And trust me, some of these new rules will make you laugh, some will scare you, and some will make you question humanity. So today, I'm breaking down the new cruise rules every first-time cruiser needs to know before they accidentally break one. Let's get into it before the ship leaves without us. Rule number 1. In 2026, cruise lines are strict about boarding times. If your boarding pass says 1:45 p.m., they actually mean 1:45 p.m., not somewhere between lunch and sunset like before. Show up too early? They'll make you wait outside like you're in trouble. Show up too late? The ship will sail away without, dramatic movie-style running aloud. Rule number 2. Your passport now needs 6 months validity after your cruise ends. If your passport expires sooner, the cruise won't even let you board no matter how innocent your face looks. So check your passport dates before you start choosing outfits. Rule number 3. Luggage weight limits are finally a thing. Yes, really. You can't pack your entire wardrobe anymore. Cruise lines now check weight like airlines. If your bag is too heavy, they'll ask you to remove items in front of everyone. So unless you want to unpack your hairdryer, 6 perfumes, and 3 pairs of heels publicly, pack smart. Rule number 4. No food from home allowed, not even snacks. Apparently, people tried to bring full rotis, chicken biryani, and entire Tupperware meals on board. So now cruise lines said, nope, we're done. Only sealed factory-packed snacks are allowed. Rule number 5. Cruise internet packages now limit device switching. Which means you can't log into your package on your phone, then switch to your tablet, then laptop, then your cousin's iPad. One device at a time, choose wisely. You're basically picking your Wi-Fi soulmate. Rule number 6. Saving pool chairs is officially banned in 2025. That means no more leaving your towel at 6 a.m. to claim a spot you'll use at 4 p.m. Crew now removes your items if you disappear for more than 40 minutes. Justice has finally arrived. Rule number 7. Gratuities automatically increased in 2025. Most cruise lines are now charging between $16 to $20 per day per person. So if you're bringing your whole family, you might cry a little. Rule number 8. Don't be surprised if crew checks your cabin more often. They're making sure guests aren't smoking, overcrowding the room, or doing weird stuff. Basically, don't turn your cabin into a nightclub. Rule number 9. The muster drill is still required, Evan, if you think you're too cool for safety videos. You must check in, or the crew will literally call your cabin until you show up. Just go. It takes 5 minutes, and you won't look suspicious anymore. Rule number 10. Alcohol rules are stricter now. Most cruise lines allow 1 bottle of wine per adult, and that's it. Try to sneak in more, and the security scanner will expose you instantly. Those machines see everything. Yes, even that. So yeah. Cruising in 2025 is amazing, but you definitely don't want to mess with these new rules. Follow them, and I promise your vacation will be smoother than the soft-serve ice cream on Deck 9. If you found this helpful, hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more cruise intel because trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.